Kuma riria thirikari yarutire watho wa muingi kuhuthira irembeko cia manyoro na kanua riria mundu ari muingi-ini, watho ucio ni uhimbiirio na njira nene na andu aria matarekira ni maragirio gutukana na andu aria angi nginyagia matuka-ini na supermarket. Ona thengia wa uguo ruhonge rwa kumurika ukinyaniru wa indo KEBS ni rugite irembeko nyingi itikinyaniire ikiro iria ciagiriire amu nyingi ciacio irarigiriria o rukungu tu.
There is a Kenya standard for masks, facial or surgical masks, and that is the KEBS 2636, which was published in 2016, and that standard, which we have availed for free on our website for people to download it, and as they make masks they can have a reference to it, provides us with the construction requirement for a good mask. So any mask that we can say Kenya Bureau of Standards certifies must meet the requirements of that particular standards.
Kuringana na Bernard Guyo, uria ni murugamiriri wa ruhonge ruru, nyoritie muingi gutigirira ni mahuthira irembeko ire na cuma manioro-ini niguo guthondeka njira ya kuhuhiria hatari mundu gutinda kinyita karembeko akigeria kuhuhia niguo kugacirithio theru wa karembeko.
A good mask must also be able to enable the user to breathe easily. Because again, if you are not able to breathe easily, what happens is that as you sneeze out, or you'll be protecting or you'll be protected, but at the same time it's going to put a lot of strain on your breathing system, and a lot of people now start getting tired of using the masks. So we want to have a mask that is going to be able to serve those two purposes. It does not hinder you from proper breathing, neither does it allow the spreading of germs through our interaction.
Maya magithiaga na mbere, Minister wa iganda na wonjoria Betty Maina ni ahurire firigiceni kumogwa kuria kurathondekerwo irembeko ici itanyeni ria guthurima uria turembeko turathondekwo. Ihinda-ini riu aria marathondeka irembeko ni moire kanya kau kuria thirikari imanyite guoko makiuga wona magwithia thogora nginyagia ciringi 20 toria ministry iyo irendekithia ni megukorwo magitara hathara nene.
Government is giving us good environment, but in terms of financial support, we have not seen, although the little money that we get is able to multiply.
Pricing at house price unaweza pata mwingine anauza 30, mwingine 20, alafu kwa nje sio anauzaje, lakini sisi watu wa kuproduce nauza mostly na shilingi 20 ama 30.
Thirikari kugerera ministry yogima wa mwire ni yuritie kabuni ingi kunyitanira na kabuni ya Kikotek niguo guteithiriria thirikari guthondeka irembeko cia kuigana niguo kunyihia gutherema gwa COVID-19.
Kitui County Textile Center Kikotek and their Governor Charity Ngilu. The facility is now producing an average of 30,000 face masks per day, and indeed those of you in social media will have seen that even the World Health Organization has appreciated and recognized their efforts.
Ahuri biashara nini aria ni hamwe na endia a thoko ni morite gutigirira ni mahuthira irembeko hamwe na aria maramagurira niguo kurigiriria kugwatania home ino. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV geto Waithira wa Kihara.